Before deciding which style and cutting technique to apply on our model Lisaveta, Donato Alba has conducted a thorough consultation to decide what face shape, hair abundance, diameter, formation, and condition he's working with. Donato creates the Hyper Bowl style from the Kawaii collection on Lisaveta. Separate the hair using the Hyper Halo technique, creating 2 curved separations that divide the hair into 3 sections. After having distributed the hair of the first section downwards, take the first central strand and using the point cutting technique, cut a horizontal line, creating the fringe. Proceed over the right side, distributing each strand downwards and slightly forwards, and cut, creating a rear diagonal line. Distribute the hair from the rear section downwards, and using the point cutting technique, cut a rear diagonal. Repeat and mirror the same procedures on the opposite side. Dry the hair using a brush to create natural movement on the first external section. This kind of haircut, which is adaptable and commercial, creates a round shape, uncovering and enhancing the face. Define the right side perimeter in a rear diagonal. Repeat the same procedures on the opposite side. Starting from the right side, cut the rear perimeter, creating a round shape. The choice of length will depend on the hair type and desired style. Repeat in the same way on the opposite side. On the second section, starting from the rear area, separate the first guide strand vertically. Project to 180 degrees and cut a quick diagonal using the slide cutting technique. Proceed with the second strand from the right rear side and cut in the same way. Use the first strand as a reference guide and continue with the same procedures over the entire right side, maintaining each section perpendicular and at 180 degrees, and cut using the slide cutting technique. This layered technique creates progressive length in the internal area, giving elegant freedom and movement to the hair. Use the same technique on the left side, repeating and mirroring the same procedures. After having divided the central section, separate the first strand horizontally and project to 90 degrees and cut using the point cutting technique. Proceed with the last 3 strands, projecting them towards the guide strand and cut horizontally. This section will be disconnected from the lower section, concealing the internal layering. Repeat the same procedure on the opposite side. The Hyper Bowl style is created by simple techniques where the hair overlaps, blends and is defined to give the hair a natural and enveloping effect. To complete the hyperbole style, Lizaveta has been coloured using the overlay colouring technique.